Hello, today we are going to talk about Fullerton Bank Small Vertical Home Loan. Let's talk about eligibility criteria. Any salaried person and self-employed are eligible for Fullerton Bank Small Vertical Home Loan. Having monthly salary which is fit to cover EMI. Applicant age should be between 25 years to 65 years for salaried person and 25 years to 70 years for self-employed. His or her CIBIL score should be more than 650 and -1 CIBIL score. Now let's talk about loan criteria. If person is eligible, she may get loan amount up to 10 lakh to 75 lakh. Tenure will be 5 years to 20 years. Login fees will be more than 3,540. Rate of interest will be 10.50% to 15% for salaried and 11.50% to 16.50% for self-employed at reducing rates. Turnaround time is 10 days for sanction, for disbursement within 3 days after submission of documents. Insurance and other charges will be 0% to 2%. Foreclosure charges will be nil. Processing fees will be up to 1.50% plus GST. Part payment is allowed. Home loan OD product is allowed. LTV will be if loan amount is 150% of registry value or 80% of market value, whichever is lower. Products are BT plus top-up, fresh loan, plot plus construction, seller BT. Co-applicant is mandatory. Business vintage for self-employed person should be 1 year. Job experience for salaried person is 1 year. Experience with current employer should be 1 month. A unique selling point or USP is one of the important things in a company or business. USP of Fullerton Home Loan funding on cash income. Location will be 50 km from branch. Let's talk about some negative points. There is applicant like politician, NRI. Negative properties are GPA property, auction property, basement, demolition list property, bacha flat, unapproved fourth and above floor. There is no specific product for professionals. Required documents for salaried. KYC of applicant and co-applicant. Last 3 months salary slip of applicant. Last 12-month bank statement of applicant and co-applicant. Last 2-year Form 16 of applicant. 26 as of last 2 year of applicant and co-applicant. Appointment letter of applicant if available. Agreement to sale if purchase case. Property paper with complete chain of last 13 years. Approved map of property if available. LOD, list of documents, foreclosure statement and SOA, statement of account, if BT case. Sanction letter of all running loan. Latest utility bill if owned residence or rent agreement if rented. To reference with contact details. Required documents for self-employed. KYC of applicant and co-applicant. Last 3-year ITR with computation of income of applicant and co-applicant. Last 3-year tax audited balance sheet of applicant. Last 12-month bank statement of applicant and co-applicant. 26 as of last 2 year of applicant and co-applicant. Copy of GST registration. Copy of MSME registration. Copy of last 12-month GST return. Agreement to sale if new purchase case. Property paper with complete chain of last 13 years. Approved map of property if available. LOD, list of documents, foreclosure statement and SOA, statement of account, if BT case. Sanction letter of all running loan. Debt sheet. Latest utility bill of residence if owned or rent agreement if rented. Latest utility bill of office if owned or rent agreement if rented. To reference with contact details. Last 3-year debtors and creditors on letterhead. List of directors and shareholders, if applicant if company, or list of partners, if applicant is partnership LLP.